So today in this video we will talk about a technique that is partly inspired from what Buddha has said, that we have both good seeds and the bad seeds, and the seed that grows is the seed which you water, which you put efforts, and which you put all your attentions to. So what in this video we will talk about this two plants technique, and what we are going to do in this video is that first we have to go to our meditative level, or those of you who don't want to do meditation and who are not very comfortable with it, you can just go to your relaxed mind state and just close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and imagine yourself having two plants in front of you. And in this video we will talk about this two plants technique, and what we are going to do in this video is that first we have to go to our meditative level, or those of you who don't want to do meditation and who are not very comfortable with it, you can just go to your relaxed mind state and just close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and imagine yourself having two plants in front of you. And what you have to do is you have to categorize these two plants, and the first plant is the plant with the good seed, and the second plant is the plant with the bad seed. So what is the good seed? Good seeds are the good emotions, the healthy emotions, the happy emotions that we have, and these are joy, compassion, forgiveness, gratitude, and kindness. These are the good emotions. And the bad emotions, we all know those emotions because we deal with them all the day, and those are jealousy, anger, hatred, and fear, guilt. These are the bad emotions. And so what we have to do is we have to imagine ourselves watering the plant with the good seed, the plant which have the good emotions like joy and compassion. So you have to just imagine yourself watering that plant, the plant which is having the good seed. So and for about like 10 to 15 seconds you have to imagine watering that plant yourself, and after that you have to imagine that the plant with the good seed is becoming green and healthy, and it has beautiful flowers. And the plant with the bad seed, the plant which you are not watering, that plant is getting weaker and weaker. That plant is dried up, and the leaves are falling out, and you can see that plant is not very healthy, and it is becoming much more weaker, and that plant is becoming dull. So when you do this, you are training your subconscious mind to focus more on the good emotions, focus more on the good seeds in you, because we all know that we have both good seeds and bad seeds inside ourselves, and the plant that grows within ourselves is the plant that we give water to, give attention to. So this is a two plant technique, and this is partly inspired from what Buddha has said. And this morning when I was meditating, I had this idea. Actually, I was doing this with myself. I was watering my good seed, my good plant, and so I thought that why not share this technique with you guys as well. So let's do this. I know that these are really small things, and we think that how this is going to change my inner world, and how this is going to heal what we are going through. But we have to understand that small things like this have a great impact on our subconscious mind, on our inner world, on our inner child. So and there is just no harm in trying all this, because when I did this, I felt really great. I felt at peace with myself, and I felt this inner satisfaction that I'm doing something to heal myself, and that effort itself heals you. The effort of healing yourself is the healing force, is the healing energy that you need. So this is a two plant technique. But then we also have this idea that okay, fine, we are doing this two plant technique, and we are healing ourselves, and we are focusing more on the good emotions, the happy emotions. But the outer world, the people with whom we have to deal with every day, they are not that mature, and even if we are treating them with joy and compassion, they come with us with enmity, they come to us with hate and jealousy, and they have all these negative emotions, which is why they force us to behave in the bad way. We have to understand this, that whenever so I would like to explain this to you with an example. I was listening to this audio recording of Dr. Wayne Dyer, and it just makes so much of sense. Suppose you have an orange in your hand and you squeeze that orange. What is going to come out? Apple juice? No. Grape juice? No. Watermelon juice? No. Only orange juice will come out of it. Why? Because what's inside will come outside. So the concept is that whatever that we have inside ourselves, that is going to come out of us in the situations when we feel extreme pressure, when we feel extreme stress. So when we say that someone from the outside world is pressurizing us to behave in such a way that we behave with such an anger, and we freak out sometimes, and we blame on them that they are treating us like this way, which is why we are behaving like this. It's not correct. What is inside is coming out. We have been watering the bad plant, the bad seed, which is why we have nurtured and nourished these bad emotions. The emotion of anger, especially because we feel angry all the time. We feel that people are judging us, people are mean to us. So when we feel this extreme pressure, when you squeeze this orange inside yourselves, when we feel that someone else is squeezing this orange inside ourselves, what is going to come out is what we have nurtured. What is going to come out is what we have kept inside ourselves. So this technique of two plant technique is really important, because we have to nurture the good emotions, so that when people come towards us with hatred, with jealousy, with anger, we have this inner peace, we have this inner calm, and we have this trust on ourselves that we don't have any of those emotions. Even if other people are pressurizing us to behave in such a way to get out the bad side from ourselves, we cannot behave in that way, because we don't have that side anymore. So the whole idea of this two plant technique is that we have to be so self-assured and so independent of other people and the outer world that nothing from the outer world can shake our inner peace. We have to develop so much of peace inside ourselves, so much of calmness and soothness and love and happiness, that whatever situation come into our lives, whenever people criticize us, judge us, or look down upon us, we know that who we are, and we don't have those emotions to reciprocate with. We only have love, and whatever the outer world is pressurizing us to do, we will only reply with love, with kindness, with happiness, with gratitude, and all the good emotions that we nurture inside ourselves. So I hope you like this video, and let's do this. Just try it. I mean, there's just no harm in trying all this stuff, and just let me know how you feel. And I want you to nurture only the good seeds inside yourselves, only water the plant that is having the good seed, and this is going to change your life, and this is going to change your thoughts. And so I just hope that you have a good day, and much love to you and happiness to you.